Om Bhurбhuvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayantam.
So, namaste everyone. Today we're going to speak about Kriya Yoga and actually ancient roots of Kriya Yoga and connection between modern Kriya Yoga and ancient traditions. Okay, second half of 20th century and especially 21st century, the name of the title, the label of Kriya Yoga becoming extremely famous. It's looked like each and every yoga teacher, guru, different ashrams, spiritual schools, yoga schools, everyone ready to teach Kriya Yoga. But let us just think, what does it mean, Kriya Yoga? What are the original roots of this tradition? Okay, basically Kriya Yoga is the meditation system, which includes not only meditation itself, but slightly more, if I can say. Okay, meditation, basically, this is a bunch of techniques, tools, with the help of that tools we can practice self-inquiry. We can speak about self-inquiry, for ages, and all that, different kinds of ancient and modern spiritual traditions which easily speak about essence of consciousness, the source, spirit, etc. But the question is, we can, philosophically speaking, describe our nature as the divine consciousness, but how can we actually experience this? And to experience this, we need certain tools, certain meditation techniques, and the most ancient are exactly different techniques of Kriya Yoga. That's interesting that in ancient time, let me say like 2, maybe 4 or 5,000 years ago, in India, different schools, and even if we take just different territories or different areas of India, south, north, Himalayan part of India, Kashmir, or east and western part of India. So in the different parts of India, different schools, esoteric schools, they actually practice exactly more or less the same system of meditation, describing it or calling it by the different names. So Sage Patanjali, who wrote very famous Yoga Sutras, actually he is from South India, and exactly in Yoga Sutra written by Sage Patanjali, we already can find in the text this name of the tradition, which is Kriya Yoga. Krishna, the main guru of the Mahavatara epic, and especially Bhagavad Gita. Krishna described this meditation system as the Raja Yoga and Dhyana Yoga. Not many people are mentioning this name of the Dhyana Yoga, which is very interesting because actually Dhyana Yoga means exactly yoga of meditation. Raja Yoga means yoga for the kings, emperors. And in Kashmiri and actually Himalayan tradition, quite often the same system of meditation, like centuries and centuries ago, different groups of sages, they call it Tantra Yoga. So it means Dhyana Yoga, Kriya Yoga, Raja Yoga, Tantra Yoga, And we can mention also about Laya Yoga, Purna Yoga, complete yoga, or Ashtanga Yoga. Original meaning of this Ashtanga Yoga tradition is actually Kriya Yoga meditation system. So it means, if we speak about how it was, this this meditation system, how it existed in Indian religious tradition, let us say 2, 3, 4, 5,000 years ago. Actually, the first of all, in different parts of India, with the different groups, they call it by different names. And exactly, Yogananda, when he came to the United States 1920, he pretty far, understood that well, he must choose certain clear, let us say, name or label for the tradition, not to confuse his disciples. And as far as I may understand, is as a result of his deep meditation, it was not logical choice, but more like mystical choice. He chose the name of Kriya Yoga, mostly because that was the name which Sage Patanjali using in his wonderful, great Yoga Sutras.
Om Bhurбhuvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodhayantam